Banyas nok tilang berkarihi berkawai. Hakaban kin mau burom ya kasengi kabakarpang. Haka history jongkari India. Kibor jongkari Bhoi district. Kalarakhe ya kasengi lailot jongkari India. Kabahnyo pulai. Hapo NSA mini stadium Palms M. Hakaba uba ALHEC. Menteri katanat kakot yakya. Jongka sorkar jela. Ula shim kabenta kumukungsan. Hakane kasengi. Haka jinga don laru. Dauba Meral Bonds M. MLA kanompok konstituensi. Uba Balajit Rani. MDC kanompok konstituensi. Kakong RM Kurba. Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi district. Uba Syampang Serti, Superintendent of Police ke distrik, lembat ki officer jong ketenat trekam sorkar baper-per jong kane ke distrik. Hakane kasngi la sakhiru ya jing simta ke Bashirham jong ki school baper-per jong kane ke distrik. Ki balai simta haka jingya ya match pass, badru ya ki program cultural, ki bala pensokshit, bad pensokun ya kane ke jing rakhe. Nakaliang uba elhek habakren hakane kasngi ulap pauru ya ke jingkemen ke bakrau. Bakum kari kalayo ban rakhe ya ke jingdap snem ke bahnyo pulai jong kari India. Hadin bakalayo ya kajing lailot na kajing sinsar jong kidoli haus nem ka khandai spa sau punyo. Badai lumba kajing lan lade jong kiri sulur ki bakutup yo Mahatma Gandhi Jawaharlal Nehru lembat kui ula phareru halor kajing lan lade jong kiri krau jong kajala ki bakutup yo Usim Trot Singh ukyang nongba bad upatogan sangma. Ula krenru halor kajing simkhya jong sorkar jala hakaban kentiu ya kajala hi borokwe lengba ki kampun roy baper Hakaba ka sorkar MDA kala persyangru banwara ya shibun ki flagship program ki ban ajing mentoy ya kajalahi borokawai. Ula phareru halo kajing pengkre jo ka sorkar jala nakabentaban pelong ya ka national game haus nem arjan arpuar. Ula ai kubli kerpangru ya ka Ri Bhoi district halor kajing sajit jongka kumkawai na ki aspirational district lembek ki sispak kasanteli ki district jongkari India. Nakaliang ki board penyak jongka district kila samru iki kusnam syaki kunhun nong job. Kibalayo banra ya kanam ladu haka jingya match pass bakum juru haka program jongka cultural program.
Cadet girls being led by Miss Ritalis Khemde. Scout being led by Mr. Renis M. A few steps behind them is the Ri Bhoi Girls Guide, leading by Miss Ibahun Lingdo. Behind them is a contingent from Christian Higher Secondary School Nongpo Girls, led by Miss Mika Runno. Not far behind them is the Christian Higher Secondary School Nongpo Boys, being led by Mr. Bikash Paul. Close behind them is the contingent representing the RBP Higher Secondary School Nongpo Boys, being led by Mr. Wanshem Lingdo.
Next we have Oasis English Secondary School, the boys contingent led by Mr. Celestine Timo. Just few steps behind them, we have the boys contingent from St. Paul's High Secondary School led by Mr. Constantine Dongro. The next contingent we have is from St. Paul's High Secondary School, Nongpo Girls, led by Miss Julian Lincoln. Close behind them we have St. Mary's Secondary School, boys contingent, led by Mr. Banjoblam Pillut. We have the girls contingent from the same school, St. Mary's High Secondary School, led by Miss Christina Makri. Just behind them, we have a melodious tune run by Sabio Higher Secondary School, 9 Mile, Baridua, led by Miss Angela Narling. Please, audience, give our band party a huge round of applause. Last but not the least, we have the band party from St. Paul's Higher Secondary School, Nongpo.
nation builder like Mahatma Gandhi and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who provided the leadership for the birth of the world's largest democracy. We also recollect with pride the personal contributions by the patriots of our own state, Utirat Singh, Ukiam Namba, Patogen Salma, for their selflessness and steadfast devotions to the cause of freedom. Today, the country is free because of their immense sacrifices. On these solemn occasions, I also respectfully remember the sacrifices of the great martyrs, soldiers of our country, who laid down their life relentlessly, protecting our nation's national frontier, safeguarding our nation's sovereignty and fighting against terrorism. I also offer my deepest condolences to the family of those persons who have lost their life due to the recent floods and a landslide in various parts of the states. I also share the pain of those families who have been displaced and rendered homeless due to this disaster. We are making all efforts to provide relief measures. I thank everyone who has been contributing to the Chief Minister Relief Fund. Friend, our state received a shock in arms with the Supreme Court recently lifting 2014 ban on coal mining. The ownership right of our mines owners over the surface and subsurface of the land has been upheld by the Honorable Court. This is a big step towards reaffirmation of the rights of the tribal people over the land. This judgment will have positive impact on the economy of the state and will lead to revival of the coal mining areas. We will now put in place the system of scientific and sustainable mining of this important resource. Meghalaya is a blessed state. About 76% of the land area of the state is under forest cover, and we have bountiful water resources in the form of about 3,000 mm of average annual rainfall. The state hence provides the valuable ecosystem services for the rest of the country and the world at large. Our large agro biodiversity and promote agri-horticulture and livestock-based economic development. The macro and the micro climatic characteristics are conducive to development of high-value ecotourism and hospitality sector. Our talented and English-speaking youth is another great strength. Further, the law and order situation in the state is also, by and large, peaceful now. Despite of this many strengths, we are low-income states. Our capita income is rupees 87,500, is well below the national level of 1,14,958. There are the historical, structural and geographical causes for our lower level of development. Some of the most immediate challenges of our development efforts are inadequate infrastructure, insufficient access to market and underdeveloped private sector. Our visions. Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Government acknowledges both the strength and the challenges of the states. Our development strategy is to leverage on our natural advantage, overcome the challenges and transform Meghalaya into a prosperous and progressive Indian state by 2030. Our vision is to build a new and sustainable Meghalaya, where every citizen is part of the development process and where environment and ecology play a central role. To achieve this ambitious visions, we have a well-defined growth strategy with 4 pillars: human development, primary sector rejuvenation, infrastructure expansions, and entrepreneurship promotions.